As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. Change is the law of life. And those who look only to the past or present are certain to miss the future. Things do not happen. Things are made to happen. There are risks and costs to action. But they are far less than the long-range risks of comfortable inaction. Forgive your enemies, but never forget their names. Efforts and courage are not enough without purpose and direction. We are tied to the ocean. And when we go back to the sea, whether it is to sail or to watch, we are going back from whence we came. Those who make peaceful revolution impossible will make violent revolution inevitable. Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other. Physical fitness is not only one of the most important keys to a healthy body, it is the basis of dynamic and creative intellectual activity. Let every nation know, whether it wishes us well or ill, that we shall pay any price, bear any burden, meet any hardship, support any friend, oppose any foe to assure the survival and the success of liberty. The cost of freedom is always high, but Americans have always paid it. And one path we shall never choose, and that is the path of surrender, or submission. The greater our knowledge increases, the more our ignorance unfolds. My fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. Conformity is the jailer of freedom and the enemy of growth. I think this is the most extraordinary collection of talent, of human knowledge, that has ever been gathered at the White House, with the possible exception of when Thomas Jefferson dined alone. Our most basic common link is that we all inhabit this planet. We all breathe the same air. We all cherish our children's future. And we are all mortal. Let us never negotiate out of fear. But let us never fear to negotiate. The time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining. Thank you, dear viewers. And, do not forget to tell us, how did you like the video? And, you want to watch the next video, of which topic on.